my channel. Today we're turning our attention to the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback. This car continues to prove that compact doesn't have to mean compromise. It offers a blend of style, driving dynamics, and a premium feel that's rare to find in its segment. Let's delve into the details and see why the Mazda 3 hatchback stands out from the crowd. The Mazda 3 hatchback's design is a head-turner. Its flowing lines and sculpted profile create a sleek and sophisticated silhouette, showcasing Mazda's signature Kodo design language. The interior is equally impressive. When it comes to performance, the Mazda 3 hatchback doesn't disappoint. It offers a choice of engines to cater to different driving needs. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is more than capable for everyday driving, providing smooth and responsive power delivery. Technology and safety are also strong points for the Mazda 3 hatchback. The infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring a large touchscreen display and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While it may not be the most fuel-efficient car in its class, the Mazda 3 hatchback still offers respectable fuel economy figures. The base engine achieves an estimated 28 mpg city and 37 mpg highway, while the turbocharged engine delivers 23 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. With a starting price of around $24,950, the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback represents a compelling value proposition in the compact car segment. It offers a level of style, performance, and refinement that rivals some luxury brands at a significantly lower price point. In conclusion, the 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback is a shining example of what a compact car can be. It's stylish, fun to drive, and packed with features that you'd normally find in more expensive cars. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and insights. Until next time, happy driving!